The loop expansion board provides an additional 2 loops, number 3 and number 4, as well as the extra for supervised outputs, from out 5 to out 8. The part number for this board is the 2X-LB. Please be aware that an additional loop board can be fitted into a large box panels only. Having the panel switched off, install the loop board into slot number 2 of the control panel chassis, and secure it with the screws provided. Connect the loops and configurable outputs as required. If an output is not used, install an end-of-line resistor across the unused terminals, to avoid an open circuit faults on the outputs. Then restore power and activate the expansion device in the control panel configuration. To do that, you will need to be logged into the panel using an installer code. To log into the panel as the installer, press F4 to select the main menu. Using the jog dial, turn it to select a user, which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial to scroll down to the password option. Using the button, select the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial to select the correct number, and by pressing the button will move the cursor to the next digit. Now press the jog dial or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Using the jog dial, scroll down to Panel Setup, and press the button. Now find Expansion Boards entry, and press the button again. In the list of expansion boards, go to the first option, LB, which stands for loop board. Then simply use the jog dial to change the option from no to yes. Now press F4 to accept this setup. Using the jog dial, change the option from no to yes, and press the button. Then press F1 key to return to the main screen. To complete the process, press F3 to apply your new configuration. After resetting, the loop board will become functional, and you can proceed to operate the loops and additional outputs as required by your system.